How to enable and use voice access on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First, go to Settings, either from home screen or from the control panel, this gear icon. Now scroll all the way down until you see Accessibility section, tap on that. Now go to Interaction and Dexterity and tap on Voice Access. Now turn the feature on and make sure you have a voice access shortcut. You can set up this shortcut. So you can tap Accessibility button or press Side and Volume Up buttons together to activate voice access, or press and hold Volume Up and Down buttons for 3 seconds, or all together if you wish so. Now let's go back. Shortcut is on. Now let's go to Settings. So here you have a list of comments sorted by category, so get familiar with these comments to use the application properly. You have help and feedback. You can go through the tutorial, learn the basics, learn icon names, type and edit text, grid selection, help. You can say help to get help. Tap on Finish. Now let's go back to Settings. You can require verbs like tap and open for voice access commands. You can set timeout after no speech, and so on, guys. That's pretty it. I hope this was helpful. You can always close voice access application from notifications panel, so just swipe down from the top and go to Settings, go back here and disable voice access. Turn off. If voice access doesn't work properly, you need to go back to the main settings menu, tap on search icon, search for apps, go to apps. Now once again tap on search for voice access, go here, tap on permissions, and make sure that the application has all necessary permissions. And that's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.